How's it going, everybody? It is a chilly day. It's not snowing, it's just the bee's wings from the corn. Got the combine ready to go. Last day of corn, hopefully. Fingers crossed everything works out well. We're gonna fill up this truck. Step in here a second. Fill up this truck. Get a full grain cart from the last field. So we should load up another grain cart. And then I got the R International fired up because we'll load up this truck, get it under cover for the night. They'll come get it in the morning. And then whatever we got left in the field, we'll just put in our truck and put in the silo for high moisture corn. So that's the plan today. Corn harvest is slowly wrapping, well, not slowly, fast wrapping up. Coming to an end. And we had a lot of rain a couple days ago, so hopefully things dry out and I can get the disc put on the 45 and disc some of them corn stalks, but that's down the road. We'll just focus on today for right now. So got my cousin Steven up. Usually bring him up at least once a year, once a season, to help with harvest. So got him to come out for the last day. We've been harvesting basically on the weekdays, so he's going to SUNY Cobleskill right now. So it's hard for him. Obviously I don't want him to skip class. He probably would, but I don't want him to skip classes or anything to come out and help us harvest. So the corns look pretty good. Real nice looking kernels. The yield, it all depends on which field we're in. Obviously it's not as much as last year. Last year we had a really good year for corn yield. This year, not as good, but not horrible by any means, but still a pretty good yield. I'll have to see once we're all done what we end up averaging out total. Loaded up, heading out to the field. I'm gonna run this truck out. We are all loaded up. Time to go park this and grab our International. So we got our International. I'm ready to head up and get this one loaded up. And then we got the red truck. I had that running for a little bit. Because I don't have the tractor hooked up to the blower or not. So we'll see what we can get in this. More than likely, I'm not going to fire up the red truck. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to load up this, and then there probably should be, we'll load up the grain cart, bring the grain cart up, and then once I empty this into the silo, I'll just load this up again, empty it, load it up, and whatever. So that's the plan right now. So we are all set with harvest. We are running the combine up the road right now to go put it away in storage for the winter time. We'll get it back out in over the summer. Do some oats, or we're talked about combining one of the fields of rye. We'll have to see how it does before we look too far ahead. But anyway, pretty good year of corn. Obviously, we had a much better year last year of corn, but we had such a dry summer. It was kind of expected. I didn't expect like the best summer ever of corn. But so we're heading up right now. I know a lot of people have asked about these videos. Why aren't you just putting excuse me, why aren't you just putting the corn in the bin? The one bin, we have two grain bins there. The one bin has soybeans in it, and the other bin has an issue that we need to do some repairs to. So the corn can't talk, the feed mill have to be taking corn, and so that's why we sold out of the field. Combination of they were taking the corn, and yeah, our bin needs some repair. So hopefully we can get that fixed up this winter and get back to putting corn in it. We're going to be getting a truck here soon to start loading out soybeans. I think they're taking soybeans right now, so that'll be good to get a truck here, and then maybe I'll even truck a couple loads of them over to the feed mill. So anyway, good to be done. I got some other projects to start doing, so it'll be good to jump on them. We got some snow, as you can see, not much though. As far as like Buffalo, I don't know when this video is going to get posted, but like Buffalo got hammered with snow. We're about an hour south of Syracuse, so we didn't get thank God. Wouldn't hurt my feelings if this is as much snow as we got this year. We've been pounded pretty good the past couple of years, so I highly doubt it. I know it's going to get us eventually, but hopefully not for a while. But anyway, we're running up the road here. Like I said, we're running up the road. I'm gonna get this combine put away and jump on some other things. So anyway, thumbs up if you like this video. Drop me a question or comment below. Hit that subscribe button, guys. I really appreciate it. Thumbs up to those of you who have. I really appreciate it. I'll see you guys next time. Have a good one, everybody.